Why is Rome a top travel spot? Imagine walking on streets full of history. Enjoy tasty pasta and rich Italian wines, and feel the energy of this old city. See the amazing Colosseum and the lovely Trevi Fountain. Rome has many sights and sounds that take you back in time. Explore the charming Trastevere area, or visit the Campo dei Fiori market, where you can smell fresh produce and flowers. In this video, we'll be your guide, taking you on a virtual trip to see the best of Rome. We'll show you the top places to visit, like Vatican City and the cool Monte area. Get ready to taste yummy food, from pasta to pizza. We'll help you take great photos to remember your trip. So, pack your bags and let's explore Rome together. Let's start our trip through time in Rome. We'll see the ruins of old empires and amazing buildings. First, we visit the Colosseum, a famous symbol of Rome. Then, we walk through the Roman Forum ruins, following the paths of old leaders and people. The Roman Forum was the center of the Roman Empire, where politics, religion, and social life happened. Each stone tells a story, each ruin whispers the past, inviting us to learn about this great empire. Leaving the Roman Forum, we head to Palatine Hill, one of Rome's 7 hills. From here, we see amazing views of the Roman Forum, the Colosseum, and the city. Next, we visit the Pantheon, a great example of Roman building skills. Inside, look up at the dome and feel the history around you. The Pantheon shows how smart the Romans were at building, and it has amazed people for many years. From the wonders of ancient Rome, we now look at the art in Vatican City. See amazing Renaissance art and beautiful buildings, and feel the spiritual heart of an old religion. Our first stop is St. Peter's Basilica, a great example of Renaissance architecture and a holy place for Christians. The Dome by Michelangelo stands tall in Rome, showing the power of the Catholic Church. Step inside St. Peter's Basilica. You will see beautiful mosaics and tall arches. Michelangelo's Pietà shows the Virgin Mary holding Jesus. It is a famous sculpture. Next, we go to the Vatican Museums. They have a huge art collection. You will see art from ancient times to the Renaissance, including works by Michelangelo, Raphael, and Leonardo da Vinci. The museums have art from many times and styles, like ancient Roman sculptures and Renaissance frescoes. The Vatican Museums have the Sistine Chapel, with Michelangelo's amazing paintings. The ceiling shows stories from the Bible and is a Renaissance art wonder. After seeing the art in Vatican City, we explore ancient Rome and its lovely neighborhoods. We start in Trastevere, a fun area with narrow streets and busy restaurants. Walk through Trastevere streets and visit the artisan workshops. At night, Trastevere is lively with restaurants, bars, and live music. Cross the Tiber River to Campo dei Fiori, a busy market square. In the morning, vendors sell fresh produce, flowers, and local foods. In the evening, the square is full of people enjoying drinks at outdoor cafes and bars. Ready to taste some amazing food? Rome is a food lover's dream. Here, food is a big part of life. First, we go to Trastevere, a place full of charm and good food. We'll enjoy simple but tasty Roman dishes here. We'll start with a Roman antipasto, with meats, mozzarella, and artichokes. Then we'll have cacio e pepe, a simple but delicious pasta dish. From the cozy feel of a traditional trattoria, we move to fine dining. Rome has many Michelin-starred restaurants, each giving a special dining experience. Imagine stepping into a world of food art, where every detail excites your senses. Each course is a piece of art, a mix of flavors and textures, showing the chef's creativity and passion. Leaving the restaurant, you'll feel happy, not just from the tasty food, but from the whole experience, a true celebration of fine dining. Section 3, Roman Holiday, a sweet ending. No trip to Rome is complete without trying the city's sweet treats. From creamy gelato to tasty pastries, Rome is a sweet paradise. Let's explore the sweet side of Rome. Our first stop is a gelateria, with windows full of colorful gelato. Each flavor looks better than the last. The smell of fresh waffle cones fills the air. We hear the gelato machine whirring. Classic flavors like pistachio, hazelnut, and stracciatella, or new ones like ricotta and fig or basil and lemon. Each spoonful is a taste of heaven. The smooth, creamy texture melts in your mouth, leaving behind a burst of flavor. As you enjoy your gelato, walking through the charming streets of Rome, you'll see why this treat is part of Italian life. For a taste of Roman tradition, we'll visit a local bakery to try famous pastries. From maritozzi, sweet buns with whipped cream, to cornetti, flaky croissants for breakfast, to ricotta and viciole tarts, each pastry gives a taste of Rome. Unveiling Rome's hidden gems. Rome has many hidden treasures in quiet places and small neighborhoods. These spots show the real Rome, where you can feel like a local. Let's explore some of Rome's best-kept secrets. First, we visit Aventine Hill, a peaceful place away from the busy city. Here is the Aventine Keyhole, showing a beautiful view of St. Peter's Basilica. Look through the keyhole to see a surprising and lovely view. Next, we go to Testaccio, a place full of real Roman life. Visit the Testaccio market, full of fresh food and local treats. Try local foods, talk to vendors, and enjoy the lively market. Secret gardens and ancient whispers. Our next stop is the Basilica di San Clemente. It's a 12th century church on top of a 4th century church and a 1st century house. We go down through history, feeling like we're going back in time. For some peace in the city, we visit the Giardino degli Aranci on top of Aventine Hill. This garden has great views of the city, from St. Peter's Basilica to the Pantheon. From the calm of the Orange Garden, we move to Monti, a cool area with small shops, vintage stores, and trendy cafes. This lovely place is close to the Colosseum, mixing old history with new ideas. We will look at vintage clothes and visit craft workshops, watching local artists at work. Monti is great for finding special gifts, like handmade jewelry and vintage prints, each showing the area's creative side. As the sun sets, we will eat at a cozy trattoria, enjoying tasty Roman food with a modern touch and a glass of local wine. We will also visit Quartier Coppede, a fun and unique neighborhood in Rome. Built in the early 1900s, Quartier Coppede mixes Art Nouveau, Art Deco, and medieval styles, showing the architect's wild ideas. Walking here feels like a fairy tale, with its towers, arches, and mosaics. This hidden gem is a treat for the eyes, showing the power of imagination and the surprises waiting for those who explore beyond the usual spots. As we walk through Rome, let's capture the magic of this city. Turn our experiences into memories. Frame your Roman story, capturing your journey. Look for special details, the play of light and shadow, and candid moments that show Rome's soul. Capture the laughter and clinking glasses, and the bright colors of a flower stall. Try different angles and views. Find lines that guide the eye. The best photos tell a story. Capture your journey's essence. Capture your journeys. To take great travel photos, use natural light. In Rome, the golden hour makes everything look beautiful. Picture the Colosseum glowing in the soft golden light, or the Trevi fountain shining with light and water. The low sun creates long shadows, adding depth to your photos. Soft light reduces harsh shadows, making portraits and landscapes look better. Wake up early or stay late to catch these moments. Go to a viewpoint to see Rome in golden light. Capture the city's silhouette against the sunset. Don't forget the blue hour, when the sky turns deep blue and purple. This light makes the city look magical and calm. Beyond the lens. Keeping the magic. Taking photos is great, but the real magic is in the moments. Put down the camera and enjoy the moment. Explore the streets, talk to people, and feel the city's vibe. Write in a travel journal about your thoughts and feelings. Draw details, keep ticket stubs, or press a flower. Be present and enjoy the sights, sounds, and tastes of Rome. Sharing your Roman story. When you get home, share your Rome trip with friends and family. Make a photo album or scrapbook with your best pictures and keepsakes. Put your photos in order and write captions and stories. Add ticket stubs, postcards, and other souvenirs to make it special. Tell your stories, both big and small. Share the funny moments, the surprises, and the happy times that made your trip special. Your excitement will spread and inspire others to visit Rome too. Remember, your Rome trip doesn't end when you go home. Keep the spirit of Rome with you. Enjoy life like the Italians do, and keep finding beauty and wonder every day. Ciao, Bella. Your dream trip begins now. We hope you're excited to visit Rome after our virtual tour. Rome has old ruins, beautiful art, busy streets, and tasty food. Rome is more than a place. It's a feeling, full of history, culture, and the sweet life. You might love the big Colosseum, the romantic Trevi Fountain, or the artsy Trastevere. Rome has something for everyone. Picture yourself walking with loved ones on cobblestone streets, smelling fresh bread and strong coffee. Imagine sipping local wine as the sun sets, painting the sky in orange, pink, and purple. Rome invites you to slow down and enjoy life. Embrace the Italian way of living fully. Don't just dream about Rome, make it real. Start planning your trip today and get ready to make memories that last forever. Keep the Roman spirit alive. Even if you can't go to Rome now, you can still feel its spirit. Enjoy life like the Italians do, with good food and good friends. Appreciate the beauty around you. Find real Italian restaurants near you, go to an Italian festival, or read a book about Rome. Be adventurous every day. Explore your own city and find new places. Look for hidden gems and local treasures. Learn something new, like a new language or cooking. Try new arts and crafts. And always keep dreaming. Let your dreams guide you to explore new places, near and far. The world is full of amazing places to see, each with its own story. So, keep dreaming, keep exploring, and keep the adventure alive in your heart. We hope our virtual trip to Rome has made you want to travel and see the beauty of the world. Remember, adventure is out there. Ciao.